Warm welcome. This is Markus Termin at the 1st of June 2024. The moon shifted from Pisces to the sign of Aries. That means on the one hand we have a sextile combination in between moon and the sun in the sign of Gemini, which is a nice thing because Pisces and Gemini was a square position, but on the other hand, as the moon touches Aries, he's of course in the aggressive position, in the fighting position, and he will pass over the North Node, Chiron and Mars, trigger them. The moon is in personal charts always the one who kind of delivers what the sun wants. So if the sun in the sign of Gemini wants to be absolutely sure about any kind of information or movement or flow in that kind of sense, the moon in the sign of Aries in private charts, in personal charts, will say, yes, we're going to fight for it, even though it might not be 100% true, because the moon in Aries might not have the abilities to find out about what is true and what is not. The sun in the sign of Gemini could, but she needed a whole lot of Jupiter wisdom, and it's not to say that she hasn't, because Jupiter is in the sign of Gemini. He's weak though, because he's not at his position. His position is the opposite. But anyhow, in modern psychology and modern psychological astrology, that doesn't matter so much. Jupiter is Jupiter, and when he's in the sign of Gemini, he's the transformator of knowledge anyhow. One aspect which is slowly but constantly approaching is the trine in between Jupiter and Pluto. That gives us the idea that really something is shifting on the world, and it has to do with regard to freedom ideas, and it's about information. But of course this always depends on of which side you're looking at things, actually. What is freedom for one side might be the loss of influence for the other side. So this is not easy to say, and if we want to get into your chart and find out what this trine in between Pluto and Jupiter does in your chart, in your personal chart, because astrology is an individual thing after all, you can get in contact by this mail address, mind the DE at the end. And down here at my blog site, you will find the conditions for a consultation. This is Markus Termin at the 1st of June 2024.